Hola mi gente, we are going to start a brand new video. It's going to be a pinked out look. In case you didn't know, yes, I have on my Como la Flor shirt. Okay, gotta rep Selena all day, every day. Let's get started. We are going to be going in with the Professional primer by Benefit, which is right here. Looks exactly like that. So we'll be going in with this. I just like to dot my head, you know, rub this in. You want to go in smooth on your face. Like, you can already see Benefit, these Shiznit, when it comes to their primers, they smooth your mistakes away. There we go. My contacts have been killing me lately, guys. Next up, we are going to be going in with a new foundation. It's by Il Makiage. My color is the Woke Up Like This color 095 ochre. Il Makiage. It looks like this. This is the box that it comes in. And what they do is they match your perfect shade. So they ask you, if you go into their website, they ask you like all these different questions to get your perfect shade. They say like 95, 98, 99% of the time. I think it's like 98%. They get your perfect foundation shade. It's like a match. Like we will be trying it. We will be trying it for the first time today. I've had it for a little bit. It's been a couple of months with the boutique. I haven't really had time to try it out because usually I'm like, you know what, let me go with my tried and true Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation, right? Or my Fenty foundation, because you know your girl loves her some Fenty. So we're gonna go in with the Il Makiage right here. We're gonna go in with this a little bit later. What we're going to do right now is we are going to fill out the brows. So I will be using, of course, the Kylie Cosmetics brow pomade, which is in medium brown. Not as dark as I like it to be because I like my brows super dark. Okay, so we're gonna be going in with the Kybrow. Brush out the brows. See, it's a little lighter than what I like it to be, guys. We're gonna make it work, and don't worry about mess ups, guys, because if you mess it up, we can go back and we can correct it. And we brush out the top. That's what I like to do, is I like to just kind of brush it out. And there we go. I might make it just a tad bit darker. So this is the brow on this side, and this one. Next up, usually after this, I like to carve out my brows, but we're going to skip that today. And we're going to try out this foundation right here. So this is my first time using it. It has kind of like a perfumey smell. I mean, it's okay. I'm not too fond of it, but like, this is insane, and it literally covers up my murders. So we're going to be going in with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. This is my ride or die. I keep coming back to this. I've tried hundreds of different other concealers and nothing works like Tarte does. This is like magic. Next up, we're going to set, and I'm using the Beauty Creations beauty blender right here to set my under eyes. Okay, we're going to be going in with the Fenty Beauty setting powder right here. We're going to be using the banana one. So this one right here is supposed to work with everybody's skin type. So we're done with that. Again, this one I'm using Fenty Beauty setting powder. Okay, so we are going to be doing a pink look today, guys. So I'm going to be using the Jacklyn Hill palette volume 2. Okay, we will be using this palette right here. I'm thinking a good pink purple moment. I'm going in with my little Sephora thingy right here. We are just going to set the eye with the lightest shade there is, which is in Certified right here, which is this shade right here. It is like a light blush pink. And if you want to be more precise, you will want your fingers to be closer to the brush, okay? that gives you more control. I feel like we're gonna go in with Lolly Mama right here, this one right here. And we're just going to play with that a little bit. It's a pretty soft moment right there. We're gonna go in on the other side. We're going to be going in with this one right here. This one is the Morphe Jacklyn Hill JH33. And we're going to be going in with Not My Journey, which is this purplish one right here. We want to give it some depth, okay? Just like that. And then we're going to go back in with that pink. And we're just gonna top off the very edge right here. Top it off just a little bit, just like that. And we're going to be going in with this deep maroon color right here called Crazy, which is this one right here. We're going to give it life. I'm going to try to use this I'm In It. I like it. I like the way that it turned out. So we are going to copy this onto this. Just like that. And then we are going to be going in with the Fenty Beauty Sunstalker, which is an instant warmth bronzer, okay, in Island Ting. So this one's number 4, Island Ting. Let me just tell you, the thicker your bronzer, if you have a big forehead, the thicker your bronzer is on your forehead, the smaller you can make it, okay? It's all about dimensions with bronzer. It's all about making things work in your favor. And so I have a big forehead, so I like to do a thick bronzer line. I like to go in just like that. If you have a smaller forehead, please do not try this, okay? Make it a thinner. If you have to have something up here, make it a thinner line. Or just don't use any bronzer at all on your forehead if you do have a smaller one. But brighten your forehead, especially right in the middle, because all of this, once you brighten your under eyes, your chin, your nose, and the middle of your forehead right here, it... There goes my nose. Yes, it does look dark. Yes, I am fully aware. Next, we shall be doing the blush, and I'm going in with the Morphe blush right here. I like to use a lot of powder just so it can keep my oil at bay. Then we're gonna go in with the Cara Beauty Fully Glown. We're going to go in with my usual, my NYX Epic Ink Liner. NYX Epic Ink Liner right here. Looks like this. Now we're going to go in with the bottom lids. So that is the look, guys. We are ready to set. I might put a little bit of sparkle on here. And we are going to be going in with the Jacklyn Hill Lip Locked Lip Cushion, which is this one. It is a pink color. And we will be using the Colourpop in, oh my gosh, is this red? Oh, this is red. We were going to use red, guys. And then we'll be going in with the Jacklyn Hill. So this is the look. We're going to take off all the pins and everything and kind of fix this mane right here. Okay guys, this is the finished look. So what do you think? We were going for a pink look. I decided to keep it simple. I love the lipstick, love the little dimension that the purple gives the whole look. This was just a simple like tutorial. Well, not really a tutorial, but you know, just to get ready with me, kind of, sort of. Guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, you like my vibe, you like my videos, please click the follow button or the subscribe button. It should be somewhere right here, hopefully. Yeah, and I am making videos every week, so tune in. Makeup Mondays, it's a thing. This is Natalie Reyna signing off. I will see you guys